Hello student, today with new videos that is all about the aldol condensation and cross aldol condensation where we use two aldehyde and in presence of dilute NaOH, NaOH or any alkali dilute NaOH, so it will convert it from aldehyde to beta hydroxyaldehyde and ketone. So normally if you use same kinds of aldehyde, say 2 mole of formaldehyde, so it will give you the beta hydroxy ketone, and that will be one product should be there for that case. But if you use mixed aldehyde, one aldehyde acetaldehyde or one formaldehyde in presence of dilute NaOH, it will give you cross aldol condensation. Both these things we will discuss today elaborately. So if you look at very carefully, it is look like this. So normally what actually happen if we use formaldehyde, any form or acetaldehyde, C double bond O H, 2 moles of acetaldehyde in presence of dilute NaOH. If we use dilute NaOH, so it will form 3-hydroxybutanol. 3-hydroxybutanol look like this, CH3 CHOH CH2 C double bond OH. So this is 3-hydroxybutanol. So this is also called aldol, ALDOL, because this CHO group among this is ALD, ALD, and this OH group OL is added. So that is, it is called aldol. And you know this particular, when this particular compound form this 3-hydroxybutanol, it is look like this. I am written again here. Just look like this. CH2 C double bond O H, it look like this. So what happened? The beta, from here water elimination took place. So from here water elimination took place. When water elimination is took place, this is called condensation. And when condensation took place, it will form beta hydroxy acetaldehyde and ketone. So it will form this CH C double bond O H. So this is the product. Now if you look at very carefully the mechanism of this reaction, it is look like this. Say acetaldehyde. So one of the acetaldehyde, this particular hydrogen is far more acidic in nature. So what happened in presence of NaOH? That means OH minus group is there. So it acts as a nucleophile. It abstracts this proton and this bonding electron go over the carbon. So it will form CH2 minus C double bond O H. Okay, so it will form. So when this will form, this particular portion, just a minute, when this particular carbon ion form, this readily react with the another acetaldehyde present over there. So when this is formed, there is another acetaldehyde present, CH3 C double bond OH. So this particular negative attack over here and this will go out. So when this situation is arising, it will form these types of compound, H3C CHO minus, okay, CHO minus CH2 C double bond OH. So when this particular O minus is added up over here, so if it is protonated, then it will form OH. Now these two position, this carbon and this carbon, when condensation will occur, water elimination took place, that will lead the product of this CH3 CH double bond CH, C double bond OH. So this is beta hydroxy acetaldehyde. So this is in the UPAC name but2L. So this is the product of this. So this is normally if we use same kinds of aldehyde or acetaldehyde, here we use acetaldehyde, so we get one product. Now if the scenarios is something different, if we use acetaldehyde plus and acetone, say we use two kinds of compound over here, acetone and acetaldehyde. So we use NaOH same way. So in that case, this is cross aldol condensation because the aldehyde ketone we use, it is totally different. So in that case, cross aldehyde product we will get, and the product will be 4. And how they are forming, I am giving one example. The scenario is very simple. So the first step was the abstraction of proton from the alpha hydrogen. That means this alpha position. Or maybe this alpha position. If it is abstract over from here, so there is a carbon ion will form, and that carbon ion will attack over here. And if it is like this types of scenario, if it abstract proton abstraction take place in that area, so here carbon ion will form and it will attack over here. So we are getting two different products for that. And another things, both this acetaldehyde, there is acetaldehyde, so many molecules are there, they with their two acetaldehyde will react, they will form one particular product, and two acetone, they react and they form another one types of product. So in that case, 4 different kinds of product will get for cross aldol condensation. This is all about the aldol condensation. So one thing you always remember, you need dilute NaOH for that, and whatever aldehyde you use, there should be alpha hydrogen should be present. Without alpha hydrogen, this reaction never took place. So that is why formaldehyde, I think, not work at that particular reaction. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you.